Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a really simple way how you can change your name in Google Meet. So let's start. The most important thing, guys, is that Google Meet is directly connected to Google account. You need to change your name in Google account and then the Google Meet name will change. So you go here, you write your Google account, click here Google account, okay, go to Google account, and right here you're gonna see it here, personal information. And then just click here, name, and voila, you got it. So you just change the name here and name here, and this is how you can change the name. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance, support and stuff like that. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. And when you're going to change like the name here, automatically the name in Google Meet will change too.